Secret revealed. Discover how easy it is to defrost meat in just a few minutes. Imagine transforming your frozen meat into a ready-to-use ingredient within minutes. Today, I'll share a technique passed down through generations that will revolutionize your kitchen routine. First, remove the meat from the package and observe its frozen state. Traditionally, thawing would take at least an hour, but with just 2 ingredients, you'll bypass all that waiting. Prepare a large container with 2 liters of room temperature water. Add white vinegar and salt. The vinegar, due to its acidity, and salt, due to its ability to lower the freezing point of water, work together to speed up the meat defrosting process, also preserving the texture and flavor of your meat. Unlike more aggressive defrosting methods like using hot water, the vinegar and salt solution helps preserve the texture and flavor of the meat. This means you can enjoy thawed meat that still retains its original quality. Transfer the meat to a different container and dip it in the prepared mixture. To prevent the meat from floating, use a suitable counterweight, such as a brick. It's crucial to ensure the meat remains fully submerged in the solution. In just 5 minutes, you'll be amazed at how the meat will be completely thawed. This is due to the vinegar, which effectively and quickly raises the temperature of the meat. Your meat is now ready to be used in any recipe you wish. Isn't it amazing how a simple technique can save you time and effort in the kitchen? This tip is simply genius. Defrosting meat quickly has always been a challenge, but this technique seems to solve the problem once and for all. The mix of water, vinegar, and salt is such a basic solution, but I'm sure it makes a huge difference. It's fascinating how traditional methods can be so effective, right? It looks like this blend of ingredients can speed up the defrosting process while maintaining the texture and taste of the meat. Such a lifesaver for those with a busy schedule and little time to spare for cooking. In just 5 minutes, the meat is ready to be used in any recipe, which is simply amazing. It's one of those tips that will make life much easier for many people and make the kitchen experience far more enjoyable.